Eat It to Beat It is the theme of the National Lionfish Awareness Campaign as war is declared on the invasive lionfish. A grand project launch was held at the Gore Fish Market on June 27, 2016. The Community Climate Change Adaptation Project is funded through the UNDP ICAS project and spearheaded by the Grenada Fund for Conservation Incorporated in collaboration with the Fisheries Division of the Ministry of Agriculture. The project is geared towards addressing the threats that the lionfish invasion poses and to establishing a lionfish extraction and control program in coastal communities around Grenada.
The lionfish, as we all know, is very destructive to our ecosystem, to our juvenile species, as well as to our coral reefs, because it feeds on the herbivores which actually cleanse the reef. So it's very, very destructive. And from scientific information, it can wipe out your fisheries. So this program is not only concerning the Fisheries Division or the ministry, but also the entire nation.
The Grenada Lionfish Task Force engaged in a number of community outreach activities, including school presentations, lionfish derbies, and training for fishermen on catching and handling lionfish.
We have been going around the island with education programs, going to the schools. We have just finished a number of schools in St. John's and community presentations, training fishermen and handlers of the fish, training food service providers like cooks and chefs, promoting of lionfish as a viable fishery, removing lionfish in MPAs and in other areas, and lionfish culinary presentation, including cookbook.
Through the project's Lionfish Market Development Program, fishermen and vendors can take advantage of a supplemental livelihood through the sale of lionfish, which is quite tasty and healthy to eat.
It gives fishermen another alternative for livelihood. 2, it gives householders, food vendors, and all of us another healthy meal on our table. And 3, it entails to protect our ecosystem and also to prevent the destruction of our coral reef and to allow our different species of fish to feed successfully.
The ICAS project is part of the International Climate Change Initiative funded by the German government to assist Grenada to adapt to climate change.